The Tower of Babel War is considered one of the most mysterious and controversial events of prehistoric times. This fictional war serves as an allegory for the rise and fall of one of humanity's greatest civilizations. Referred to frequently in ancient texts and myths, this conflict symbolizes the challenges and disagreements encountered when different cultures come together to try to build something collectively. In this analysis, we will provide an in-depth look at the origins, reasons, and consequences of the Tower of Babel War. The origins of the Tower of Babel War lie in the early days of humanity and the disruption of linguistic unity. According to the legend, people decide to build a tower reaching up to the heavens, seen as a challenge to the gods. In response to this arrogant behavior, the gods confuse their language and scatter them across the world. This event is considered the beginning of the formation of different languages and cultures. The construction of the Tower of Babel symbolizes the coming together of different communities to work towards a common purpose. However, with the confusion of languages, communication barriers arise. This leads to disagreements and conflicts. Power struggles and wars for dominance between different groups ensue, turning the tower from a mere structure into the epicenter of strife among various human factions. The Tower of Babel War intensifies as various factions vie for dominance. The tower becomes both a symbol of power and a relic of humanity's united dream. The war is rife with strategic maneuvers, alliances, and betrayals. The role of different cultures and languages plays a profound impact on the course of the war. One of the most significant themes of this fictional war is the unity and division of humanity. Initially united towards a common goal, humanity fragments with the confusion of languages. This fragmentation manifests not only in language and communication but also in ideals and goals. While the Tower of Babel remains a symbol of what humanity can achieve when united, the war illustrates how fragile that unity can be. The consequences of the Tower of Babel War leave deep impacts on human history. Linguistic and cultural diversity becomes the lasting legacy of this conflict. It also reinforces the idea that while humans can come together and achieve great things, they can also lead to significant disagreements and conflicts. The war prompts reflection on the rise and fall of civilizations, the complexity of human relationships, and the inevitability of conflicts. As a fictional reflection of human history, the Tower of Babel War offers valuable lessons on unity, communication, and cultural diversity. This legendary conflict helps us understand how civilizations rise and fall, how humans can live and work together, and how conflicts can be resolved. The story of the Tower of Babel will continue to serve as both a warning and an inspiration for humanity for centuries to come.